So guess what I got? 96% nail mucus to put on my face.
Sounds lovely.
Thanks. Ooh, girl. Girl. Let's just pat that on. Get some of that oil under control, girl. Roll the clip. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things skincare and beauty related. So today your girl went out and she's, got a little bit of powdered sugar lips going on right now. Girl, I hope it's okay. Also looking like a little bit of like cheerleader-esque. So I'm super excited because I went on a little skincare haul today. Yeah, I feel like you could feel it in my, oh, girl, Tatcha. Yeah, I was just using the Tatcha, the Japanese beauty papers by Tatcha. I use them every once in a while. They're pretty good. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys, I went on a skincare haul today at Ulta and Sephora. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I went to Sephora and I was on the hunt for a new night cream. So I've had my eye on this cream for a long time and it is the Advanced Genifique by Lancome, the Concentrate Youth Activating Concentrate. Here it is in the box, not open yet. I've seen it in a lot of videos, and when I watch skincare videos, I always take notice of people's skin. If you notice, I don't really like to wear makeup on my channel because as a skincare influencer, I really want you guys to see my face, no makeup, because it's not a makeup channel. However, a lot of people with some really beautiful skin that I've noticed on YouTube have been using this. So girl, I had to like chime in. I've been influenced. Next, so Sephora has their own skincare brand and like it's very inexpensive from what I could see, and I saw this and I've been like needing new masks, so I said, you know what, let's try out Sephora's own brand. I mean, set aside that awful lip balm, they pretty much give us some really good products and make really good products available. We cannot deny them of that, girl. But I bought a peppermint gum mask by the Sephora brand. This was like $7, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna do its own video. I'm gonna do maybe like a first impressions. This is a toning one, and it claims it refines and tones the skin for a more plump and firmer appearance. Girl, I'm wondering if that peppermint's gonna plump my face up. And yes, I will be double checking all the expiration dates on both of these products. So that is what I got at Sephora. Next, I went to Ulta and I got a couple things. First, what I got, and I am a huge fan of this brand, like if you follow me on Instagram, you know. It is by the Korean skincare brand Peach and Lily, and it is the Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask, girl. Yes, queens. And I'm sure it's gonna be like amazing. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Don't even worry about that. Next is another Korean skincare brand that I've never tried. None of these products I have tried before, so I really wanted to do like this haul and get new products and new experiences for you guys. So this is by a brand, it's COSRX. I don't know how they pronounce it. Cosrx, maybe? I don't know. But it is an advanced snail 96 mucin power essence. Being 96% snail secretion filtrate mucin, this essence helps the skin to lose less moist while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. Girl, so basically I'm gonna put 96% snail mucus all over my face every morning. And this is, directions after, okay, girl, caution! Do not use on damaged or broken skin. Stop using and ask a doctor if rash occurs. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse rinse with water to remove, keep out of reach of children. If product is swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. I'm shook the house. Girl, straight up snail mucin. I mean, I don't think they're playing, girl. Like, that's some type of animal. Girl, oh, well, that's a different, girl, well, last but not least, I have been dying to try out this Skin Iceland. I did get an Icelandic youth serum with red algae. I'm a big fan of algae because La Mer uses algae and apparently it works. So I wanted to try this Nordic skincare line. Every time I'm in Ulta, I always see it and there's just never anything there. You know what? I used to really love sheet masks and they do, like this brand has a lot of sheet masks, but anymore, I've been so happy with my products that I'm actually using on the daily that I think it really just made sheet masking not necessary for me. So I was never able to find something that I really was prepared to buy with this brand until now. I have an opening in my skincare routine for a daytime serum. My Kylie Skin vitamin C, just girl, I can't use it anymore. Sorry. So I'm going to replace it with this nonstop stress and environmental aggressors starting to make an impression on your complexion. Dark spots and dullness conspiring to make you look 10 years older. The madness stops here. Created for complexions that could use a do-over. Well, baby girl, I don't think my complexion needs a do-over, but girl, I'm gonna let you try. Why not? Yep, clean skincare, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, dermatologist tested, 100% vegan, no animal testing. My vegan lovers, heads up, this could be a good new skincare line for you guys to look into. It is sold at Ulta. So I got some really different products this time. Honestly, you guys, I'm a little shook the house. So we're gonna see what happens, but this seems like it's 96% snail mucus, so girl, that's K-Beauty for you. And we got some Nordic Beauty, we got K-Beauty, we got a little French. I mean, I'm going around the world with this haul. So you guys stay tuned. I will do separate videos on these products for you to let you know how they work out. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, give me a comment, shoot me a like, girl. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for updates on all these products and my personal life. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel, and I look forward to start this new skincare journey with these crazy, interesting products. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.